it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. So, as by the title, I'm sure that y'all have already seen what this is going to be about. I want to say thank you to Donna, because if it weren't for Donna, I would have not known about Your Creative Studio. She's the one that introduced me to it, and I very much enjoy her unboxings. Now, if y'all aren't familiar with Your Creative Studio, it is a junk journaling subscription box that you can get whenever you'd like, but they do sell out fast, so I'm just gonna go ahead and preface that right now. So if you want to get it for maybe 2 months in a row, you can do that, and then if you want to skip a month, you're more than welcome to do that as well, and hop back on whenever it is that you feel like it. This is a well worth box because you get a lot for what you pay for, and I can reassure you that there's a lot of goodies in here that you will fall in love with. If you spot any of the goodies in here I will be unboxing today, you can also go onto the site and type in that specific type of product and you can shop for yourself. So if you don't want to pay for the whole box, just know that you can purchase an item individually, like a cling stamp, right? So I went ahead and I started opening some of these because I could not wait, and I really wanted to see what was in here already, and the video started falling apart very quickly. I do have kids, so I am having to time manage everything very quickly to get back to the life of a mom. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So I don't know if I had mentioned, but these were some giveaway winnings that I received from Donna on one of her giveaways for Your Creative Studio. And I very much enjoy watching all her unboxings, all her lovely junk journaling ideas. She's got so many of them and you can learn so much from her. But these are the first ones that I unboxed, and I was not expecting to get these wonderful snowflakes. So cute. And they have a multi-use, so you can use them for whatever you'd like. And I very much like that about this box. This is my second one ever. And if you're interested in this one is the CLS 0001. And I love the stickers because I feel like I could definitely reuse that. And even the pockets, had I not messed this one up. But so cute. The next one I had already pre-opened was this one. This one is the CLS 0011. Let's see if I can get it open again. And this one is a dragonfly on some beautiful flowers. I find it to be so pretty, and it is a decent sized stamp. Look how big that is. So cool. The next one that we have in here is the CLS 0008. And this one has a cute little bottle with some flowers in it. And see, I could take off the sticker and put it on some cute ephemera. Reuse all these goodies. I love that. We have these gorgeous flowers. Look how cute those are. And Amanda curates these herself, so you get something so very special each time. I don't know if I showed y'all those very good. There we go. Look at that bottle. So the picture features it like this. And or I could swap it out and put it like that. And they both look so cute. I love that. So since I had started unboxing this earlier, I had already gotten these out from the bigger box that it got shipped in, but it says thank you. And I want to guess that this perhaps is maybe butterflies. So I feel like it represents you guys so beautifully. I think it's just a coincidence that I ended up getting butterflies, since you guys are the beautiful monarch butterflies. How cute is that? And then this cute little woodland creature with some strawberries, and I think it's just so adorable. It says be playful, be curious. And basically this is just a little gratitude journaling card, and I just think it's so adorable. She's just saying thank you. So thank you, Amanda, and thank you so much, Donna. All right, let's go ahead and let's get into the box and see what's inside. All right, so if we have a look inside, the paper from the first box that I received was a little bit different than this one. This one has like a yellowish tone, and I feel like it's not as transparent, but it's still so very pretty. And even if I wanted to, I could cut these out and maybe perhaps use them in some happy mail. So I think that is so multi-purpose. Let's go ahead and have a look inside. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and view these one by one. I can even reuse the box for shipping junk journals. All right, so the first thing that I see here is some, what are these, like stickers? So you could just peel them off, and I'm so excited because this has butterflies and it makes me so very happy. I love that. So we have a variety there. And then we have some of this, it looks like handmade paper, and I like the little leaves and flowers that are inside there. How cute is this? These are great for using on collaging or any other projects, I feel. They're so pretty, and you can see how transparent they are. So dainty, so cute. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 of those sheets. It almost reminds me of the texture of like a dryer sheet. So not as dainty as I thought. They feel very durable. All right, this is all like a mystery box. I think it's so fun. So right here we have another little envelope. Oh my God, these are stamps too. Another thing of cling stamps. Let me get this open. All right, I am back. So we have this massive butterfly. Isn't it so cute? And then we have the baby one. That is just so adorable. Absolutely love that. All right, let's see what's next. Next up, we have vintage labels. All of these are so much fun. I've been recently really into collaging, and I feel like these are going to be awesome to incorporate into some collaging. Wow, look at that. That is a whole bunch. Different sizes, different colors. Definitely something in here for everyone. We've got a couple of those. They're upside down, but y'all get the idea. Look at this oval one. Got some cute triangles here. How pretty. That has like a light wash of pink. These are also so cute. This is for numbers, maybe for like specimen cards. How cute. Some different shapes. Super fun shapes to play with. Look at this. Gorgeous. I feel like these are gonna last me a long time. Lots of fun to go around. So that is the little vintage labels. That was so cute. Let's move on to the next. All right, next up we have some stick notes, and this is also in the shape of a gorgeous butterfly. I love when they have a little tail on the end of their wings. I just think that's so beautiful. So you just peel them back and maybe even incorporate these into some fun ephemera. So that's that, and you get a wonderful stack there. They're all the same, I'm sure. Yep, so you can definitely share these with some crafty friends. Moving right along, I saw Donna unbox this and I thought it was the prettiest thing. It's actually a bookmark, and you just place it on your pages, and it says, "My heart flutters with love." And I think it's just so cute. I'll have to demonstrate in a picture here for reference. Also, look at this little envelope. Isn't that the cutest? It says, "Fly to you, you are special to me." I love it. It's so cute. Right. Next up, we have, let's go for these cuties. These are so adorbs. I love the packaging. I think it's just so adorbs. Y'all are probably gonna hear me say that a lot. This is so cute. This is so awesome. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, these are butterfly stickers. Wow. Oh, I see some yellow butterflies. Oh, they just make me so happy. I love the color yellow. Wow. Definitely a variety of some cute butterflies here for all different types of themes, like something so bright or shabby chic, whatever it is that you're into, whatever style. Look at that. How pretty. Oh, I'm so excited to incorporate these into my projects. And they're still going. We still have several in here. Check this out. Ooh, look at that one. Isn't that pretty? So gorgeous. I'm in love. I hope I'm keeping my hands out of the way so y'all can see what all's in here. Keeping y'all in frame. So many of them, can't even fit in the palm of my hand. And they're still going. Holy mackerel, isn't that gorgeous? All right, let's move on to the next item. There was quite a bit in that little box, wasn't there? Alrighty, moving on to the next item. I see some more butterflies here, and these are more of some clear stickers. I'll just take out a few so that y'all can have a look. All right, so we got them open. Look how cute these are. See, this is what I'm saying, like different colors for different themes of whatever it is that you are into. So you have quite a bit to select from, and that's only just a few. There's definitely more in this pack. Those are gorgeous. The other thing that I liked about them is different sizes. They're not all the same. All right, next up, I see this one. I feel like I already unboxed this one, yes? I don't know if I did, but if I did, I'm very, very sorry. I feel like I may have, so please forgive me. Let's move on to the next item. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, check this out. I love this packaging. Look how cute this is. Ooh. Alrighty, we've gotten it open, and I love that. That's just so cute. Let's have a look. And I'll definitely reuse this because this is just so cute. I'm in love. All right, so what we had in that in that pack is a bunch full of just cute sheets, like faux vintage sheets. And it's in a different language. I'm not sure what it is, but that is so cute. You can tear these apart and maybe use them for some added texture to some collaging. These are so, so neat. And it was a lot in there. Goodness me. I hope y'all are able to see them. I know I'm going kind of fast, but there is definitely a massive variety in here. And you can see the different shades of the colors within the papers. So, so cool. This is really neat. I really like this. Sorry, I can't help the shaking. Even look at this. Let me get a close up on that. That was really, really pretty. So, definitely a lot of sheets in there. So cool. I don't think I'll be able to put it back how I had it. But the last sheets, they are more of a dirty white. So cute. I like each and every single one of them. Let's move on to the next item. All right, next up we have some faux stamps. Look how cute. This almost reminds me of a vintage postcard. Let's have a look. I will definitely be keeping this and using it for any future projects. Wow, look, even the back has that little stamp on there. So here's what these ones look like. I'm gonna zoom out because I feel like my camera's struggling to focus. But we have some cute dragonflies here, some white butterflies, and you can see, I think that's the moon in the background. Some butterflies, some blue butterflies. Check out those are so cute. I think those might be bumblebees on flowers. It's a fairy, so it's like all kinds of themes in here. Definitely some whimsical, some butterflies, some bees, dragonflies. Oh, that's so cute. Wow. So, so pretty. Botanical. I'm telling you, it just has a little bit of everything. Each box is so different, and you get something new to experiment with and trying new things. Check that out. That's so pretty. And I know I didn't go through every single one of them, but Wow, those were so, so cute. All right, next up, we have some fun ephemera here with some more butterflies. It's like a sandwich of ephemera. Nom 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 nom. So, so cute. Look at this. There's 3 of those. Got 3 of those as well. This very much looks like the notepad that I had, sticky notes that I had shown y'all earlier. What a cute way to spruce up even Happy Mail for some friends. Gorgeous. This is so me. This box couldn't have been any more perfect because I love butterflies. So, so gorgeous. Even different shapes. How cute is that? Some pink butterflies. Oh, look at this one. So cute. Here's this one again. And that's it. How cute were those, right? Let's move on to the next one. Next up, we have what looks to be like another little notepad. And I can already, oh, it's not. Okay. I have some more in there. I'll have to dig them out later. But these are some matte papers. And they are pretty thick. So they're not as thin as paper, but like more on the cardstock spectrum. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's my son's name, Paul. How cool is this? Oh, that would be so cute for like journaling on. So, so pretty. Look at this one. I like the flower in the background there. And I love script. You see how it's got some cursive there? So cute. And I think this, no, let me see. Yes, it is. So the other 2 sheets that I had in here are the same as this one. And even the backing for the packaging is stunning. How cute. And that's the number for this particular stash. And that was the last item within this super fun box. So Donna, I want to say thank you again so very much for giving me these winnings. I just feel so awesome that I got to experience this, and I very much love everything, and I think it couldn't have been any more perfect. And to say thank you to Amanda and her team as well. Thank you so much. I adore this box. Y'all did an amazing job, and I cannot wait to see the other videos for these fun unboxings. And if you would like to get your very own box for your creative studio, I will be linking that down below for you guys, as well as Donna's channel. So be sure and have a checkout on her channel. I will be linking hers down below. And I think that wraps it up for me for now, you guys. Y'all take care, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye!